The Chao Phraya River meanders through the heart of Thailand. On the flat plains, 100 kilometers north of modern-day Bangkok, lies the city of Ayutthaya. Founded in 1350, Ayutthaya rose to prominence as the Siamese kingdom's capital, a beacon of power and artistry. For over 400 years it flourished, its rulers commanding a vast empire. Trade routes crisscrossed the kingdom, bringing wealth and influence from across the globe. This golden age saw the construction of magnificent temples, palaces, and monuments. These structures are testaments to the Siamese people's devotion and artistry. Ayutthaya's grandeur, however, was not to last. In 1767, the Burmese army descended upon the city. A fierce and brutal siege ensued, leaving Ayutthaya devastated. The invaders ruthlessly sacked the city. Temples were razed, palaces reduced to rubble, and countless treasures lost forever. The once proud capital lay in ruins, a poignant reminder of the impermanence of even the greatest empires. Yet from the ashes of destruction, a powerful story of resilience emerges. Although scarred, Ayutthaya's ruins stand as a testament to the city's former glory. They whisper tales of kings and monks, of battles fought and faith preserved. Among these ruins, one structure stands out, Wat Chaiwatthanaram. Its towering spires, now weathered by time, pierce the sky, symbols of enduring faith. The 17th century dawned over Siam with an air of uncertainty. The once invincible kingdom found itself grappling with internal strife and external pressures. The death of King Ayutthaya in 1610 had plunged the Siamese court into turmoil. This period of instability threatened to undermine the very foundations of the Ayutthaya kingdom. It was amidst this maelstrom that Prasat Thong rose to prominence. Born into a noble family, Prasat Thong possessed a sharp intellect and an unyielding ambition. He navigated the treacherous waters of court politics with cunning. His rise to power was marked by both strategic brilliance and ruthless pragmatism. In 1629, after years of maneuvering, Prasat Thong seized the throne. Prasat Thong's ascension marked the beginning of the Prasat Thong dynasty. Determined to consolidate his power, Prasat Thong embarked on ambitious projects. He understood the importance of projecting an aura of strength and stability. King Prasat Thong sought to leave an indelible mark on the kingdom. He understood that his legitimacy needed to be reinforced through tangible symbols of his power and piety. It was this desire that led him to conceive of a grand architectural project. Among his most ambitious undertakings was the construction of Wat Chaiwatthanaram. This temple, strategically situated on the banks of the Chao Phraya River, was envisioned as a testament to Prasat Thong's reign. More than just a place of worship, Wat Chaiwatthanaram was to be a symbol of the resurgence of Siamese power. The temple's name, Wat Chaiwatthanaram, meaning the Temple of the Long Reign and Glorious Era, encapsulated the aspirations of the king. It was a bold statement, a proclamation of his intent to rule long and usher in an era of peace and prosperity. The temple's grandeur and scale were intended to reflect the renewed strength and stability of the Siamese kingdom. The construction of Wat Chaiwatthanaram commenced in 1630. He envisioned the temple as a masterpiece, surpassing the architectural achievements of his predecessors. To realize his vision, he summoned the most skilled architects, artisans, and craftsmen from across the kingdom. The temple's design was a deliberate departure from the architectural styles prevalent during the previous dynasty. While drawing inspiration from traditional Thai temple architecture, Prasat Thong sought to incorporate elements of Khmer architecture. This fusion of styles was not merely an aesthetic choice, but a symbolic gesture. The incorporation of Khmer architectural elements into Wat Chaiwatthanaram served multiple purposes. It showcased the kingdom's openness to external influences. It also served as a subtle reminder of the Siamese victory over the Khmer Empire. Table of contents, the heart of the temple, guardians of the faith, whispers in stone, a mandala in brick and mortar, and Wat Chaiwattthanaram's layout is a testament to the Siamese interpretation of Buddhist cosmology. The temple complex is designed to mirror the Buddhist conception of the universe, with Mount Meru at its center. This symbolic representation served as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of the earthly and spiritual realms. Dominating the skyline of the complex is the central prang, a towering structure reaching towards the heavens. Constructed from brick and laterite and lavishly adorned with stucco, the central prang serves as the focal point of the entire complex. Its impressive height was meant to inspire awe and reverence. Surrounding the central prang stand 4 smaller prangs. These structures represent the 4 continents surrounding Mount Meru in Buddhist cosmology. This arrangement reinforced the idea of the central prang as the axis mundi. The use of diminishing sizes for the surrounding prangs was not merely an aesthetic choice, it reflected the hierarchical nature of the Buddhist cosmos. This arrangement served as a visual representation of the Buddhist worldview. Connecting the central prang to its 4 surrounding counterparts are raised walkways. These walkways, once bustling with monks and worshippers, now stand as silent witnesses to the temple's former glory. Their weathered surfaces whisper tales of the countless pilgrims who once traversed their length. Flanking these walkways are rows of stucco figures. These figures, depicting mythical beings known as yakshas, are guardians of the temple. The yakshas served as protectors of the Dharma, warding off evil spirits. Each yaksha boasts a unique pose and expression, showcasing the artistic mastery of the era. Their ornate headdresses and elaborate costumes speak volumes about the craftsmanship lavished on the temple's construction. These figures, though weathered by centuries, still retain traces of their former glory. The yaksha's role extended beyond mere ornamentation. They served as a visual reminder of the constant battle between good and evil. Their presence inspired courage and determination in the face of adversity. The walls of the prangs and surrounding structures, once vibrant with color, now bear the muted hues of time. These walls are adorned with intricate carvings, each one a masterpiece of storytelling etched in stone. These carvings, though worn smooth in places, still captivate the eye. The carvings depict scenes from the life of Buddha, his journey from princely birth to enlightenment and finally to his passing into nirvana. These visual narratives served as a constant reminder of the Buddha's teachings. Pilgrims visiting the temple would have been guided along these carved stories. Interspersed with scenes from the life of Buddha are depictions of episodes from the Ramakien. This beloved epic resonated deeply with the Siamese people. The inclusion of scenes from the Ramakien alongside Buddhist narratives highlights the syncretic nature of Siamese culture. The carvings served as a visual encyclopedia of Buddhist teachings and traditional stories. They offered moral guidance, illustrating the karmic consequences of actions. More than mere decoration, these carvings were an integral part of the temple's function as a place of learning and spiritual reflection. They kept the past alive in the national consciousness. Encircling the entire temple complex is a rectangular cloister. This cloister, constructed from brick and laterite, provided a space for contemplation and reflection. Monks and pilgrims alike would have used this space to pace and meditate. Within the cloister, originally enshrined within niches along the walls, sat rows of Buddha images. These images served as focal points for meditation. Pilgrims would have circumambulated the cloister, paying their respects to each Buddha image. The cloister's design created a sense of serenity and detachment from the outside world. This deliberate separation from the mundane was essential for fostering an atmosphere conducive to spiritual practice. The cloister functioned as a mandala, a sacred geometric diagram representing the universe in microcosm. Wat Chaiwatthanaram stands as a testament to the Siamese interpretation of Buddhist cosmology. The temple, though now in ruins, still retains its ability to inspire awe and wonder. It invites contemplation of the interconnectedness of the earthly and the divine. Wat Chaiwatthanaram is not merely an architectural marvel, it is a pivotal spiritual center in Thailand. Established during the reign of King Prasat Thong, the temple has been a beacon of Theravada Buddhism. Its towering spires and serene surroundings provide a space for profound spiritual reflection. For many, it represents a direct link to the historical depths of Thai Buddhism. In Thailand, where Buddhism is woven tightly into the fabric of everyday life, Wat Chaiwatthanaram stands as a testament to the enduring influence of religion on Thai culture. The temple's design and orientation reflect the Buddhist cosmology. This symbolic representation helps devotees connect with the cosmos's order. The interaction between the temple's architecture and its visitors is dynamic. Devotees and monks move through the temple grounds with a reverent air. Chanting, meditation, and the lighting of incense create an atmosphere that transcends time. It is in these rituals that the temple's true significance is revealed. Beyond its role as a place of worship, Wat Chaiwatthanaram is a symbol of the Thai people's resilience. Despite historical upheavals and the passage of time, the temple remains a cherished landmark. This enduring relevance speaks to the deep-rooted spiritual and cultural consciousness that characterizes Thai society. Wat Chaiwatthanaram proudly embodies Thailand's Buddhist traditions and cultural identity. The impact of Wat Chaiwatthanaram extends beyond its immediate geographical and cultural confines. Buddhism, as practiced in Thailand, is not just a personal faith, but a cornerstone of national identity. This temple serves as a physical and spiritual anchor, promoting and preserving the Buddhist way of life. In Thai society, Buddhism is more than a religion. It is a comprehensive system of ethics. Wat Chaiwatthanaram contributes to this ethical framework, reinforcing values like mindfulness, compassion, and detachment. The temple's historical narratives and artistic expressions serve as educational tools. The temple also acts as a custodian of Thai history and art. Its architecture and the artistic treasures it houses tell stories of a bygone era. This role is vital in a rapidly modernizing world. The temple's place in Thailand's landscape of national holidays underscores its role in national identity. During significant Buddhist festivals, the temple becomes a hub of activity. These gatherings are not only religious observances, but also celebrations of Thai heritage. Wat Chaiwatthanaram fosters community bonding through vibrant Buddhist festivals. These events bring together diverse individuals in shared devotion and celebration. Loy Krathong is one of the most visually striking events. Thousands of lanterns light up the night sky and krathongs are set adrift. This spectacle reinforces community bonds and heritage. The Buddha's birthday celebration offers national reflection and unity. Devotees chant prayers and light candles, symbolizing enlightenment. Wat Chaiwatthanaram is a vibrant center of spirituality and community bonding. Wat Chaiwatthanaram, though steeped in centuries of history, is not frozen in time. The temple gracefully transitions into the modern era, holding on to its sacred purpose. It serves as a meeting point where ancient spirituality intersects with modern life. The gentle chanting of monks mingles with the soft murmur of visitors. Drawn by its grandeur and peace, visitors contribute to its continued relevance. Balancing preservation and accessibility requires careful management. Amidst modernity, Wat Chaiwatthanaram remains a sanctuary where time slows down. Wat Chaiwatthanaram stands as a proud testament to Ayutthaya's illustrious past, attracting travelers eager to delve into Siam's history. Its towering silhouette beckons visitors to step back in time and immerse themselves in a bygone era. The temple's inclusion on the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1991 marked a pivotal moment. Carefully restored, it now welcomes visitors from all corners of the globe. Tourism plays a crucial role in ongoing preservation efforts, ensuring future generations can marvel at Ayutthaya's legacy. The task of safeguarding Wat Chaiwatthanaram is a shared responsibility. It requires efforts from the Thai government, local communities, and international organizations. This guardianship ensures the temple's historical integrity and spiritual significance. The Thai Fine Arts Department leads preservation, implementing strategies and research. Their expertise and respect for cultural heritage guide the process. Local communities deeply connected to the temple play a vital role. International collaborations provide expertise, funding, and best practices. Visitors must engage respectfully, adhering to guidelines and respecting the site. Wat Chaiwatthanaram stands as a poignant symbol of enduring faith and resilience amidst history. Its crumbling walls whisper tales of a glorious past, of kings and monks. The temple, once a testament to Ayutthaya's grandeur, now reminds us of the impermanence of empires. The architectural grandeur reflects Ayutthaya's cosmopolitan nature. The central prang embodies the aspiration towards enlightenment. Intricate carvings narrate tales from Buddha's life, and the Ramakien. Wat Chaiwatthanaram is a living testament to the enduring power of faith. Monks chanting and flickering candles create an atmosphere of serenity. Visitors seek solace and inspiration in this sacred space. The temple's survival speaks to its profound significance for the Thai people. It symbolizes their history, faith, and cultural identity. Preservation efforts ensure future generations experience Wat Chaiwatthanaram's grandeur. Wat Chaiwatthanaram, bathed in the soft glow of dawn, or the golden hues of sunset, transcends its physical form. The temple's serene grounds invite contemplation. The gentle whisper of the wind, the rhythmic chanting of monks. Time seems to stand still within these sacred walls. The legacy of Wat Chaiwatthanaram extends far beyond its physical boundaries. It serves as a potent symbol of faith and cultural preservation. Its inclusion on the UNESCO World Heritage List underscores its global significance. Let your gaze linger on the intricate details and weathered stones. Listen closely and you may hear the whispers of history and echoes of faith.